Hello everyone and welcome to Neat Buddy. If you have been following our daily MCQ series till now, then you would be knowing what we are doing here right now. I'm providing you with 15 MCQs in jumbled format from all of the chapters of class 11th and class 12th NCERT biology so that you are able to crack the upcoming NEET exam with confidence by practicing these little extra MCQs over other students. So without wasting much time, let's get started with 15 MCQs for today. Which of the following plant cells is not surrounded by cell wall? As we all know, a typical plant cell has a cell wall, but there are four cells given. Which of these is a plant cell and doesn't has a cell wall? Option 1. Root hair cells. Option B. Stem hair cells. Option C. Gamete cells, or option D. Bacterial cell. Which of the following plant cells is not surrounded by cell wall? The correct answer is option C. The gamete cells is not surrounded by cell wall. Question 2. Which of the following cell organelles stores hydrolytic enzymes? Option A. Centrioles. Option B. Lysosomes. Option C. Chromoplast, or option D. Chloroplast. Which of the following cell organelles store hydrolytic enzymes? The correct answer is option B, lysosomes. Lysosomes are the cell organelles which contain hydrolytic enzymes, and these enzymes play a very important role in digestion of various food substances that the cell ingests. Plus, when a phagocyte ingests a foreign body, phagolysosome combines together and the foreign body is digested with the help of enzymes present in the lysosome. Lysosome is also known as suicidal bodies, right? So the lysosome is the cell organelle which stores the hydrolytic enzymes. Question 3. A monocarpic plant is one which? Four properties are given. You have to identify which of these is a property of monocarpic plant. Option 1. Has only one carpel. Option 2. Flowers once in a lifetime. Option 3. Produces only one seed. Option D. Produces only one fruit. A monocarpic plant is one which? The correct answer is option B. A monocarpic plant is one which flowers once in a lifetime. An example of this is a bamboo species which flowers generally after 50 to 100 years, and once it flowers it gives birth to lot of fruits and then it dies. So it flowers only once in its lifetime. Monocarpic plant is one which flowers once in their lifetime. Question 4. Ectopic pregnancies are referred to as? Option 1. Pregnancies terminated due to hormonal imbalance, pregnancies with genetic abnormality, implantation of embryo at site other than uterus, or implantation of defective embryo in the uterus. Ectopic pregnancy are referred to as? The correct answer is implantation of embryo at site other than uterus is called as ectopic pregnancy. Question 5. Which one of the following animals has two separate circulatory pathways? Option A. Shark. Option B. Frog. Option C. Lizard, or option D. Whale. Which one of the following animals has two separate circulatory pathways? The correct answer is option D. Whales. Question 6. Protonema is a stage in the life cycle of? Option 1. Cycas. Option B. Funaria. Option C. Selaginella, or option D. Mucor. Protonema is a stage in the life cycle of? The correct answer is option B. Funaria. Question 7. A fern differs from a moss in having? A fern, which is a pteridophyte, differs from a moss, which is a bryophyta, in having? Option 1. Swimming archegonia. Option B. Swimming antherozoids. Option C. Independent gametophytes, or option D. Independent sporophyte. The correct answer is option D, that is independent sporophyte, which is found in fern but not in moss. Question 8. Which of the following structures are not found in prokaryotic cell? Option 1. Plasma membrane. Option 2. Nuclear envelope. Option C. Ribosome. Or option D. Mesosome. Which of the following structures are not found in prokaryotic cell? The correct answer is option B, that is nuclear envelope. In fact, that's the defining feature of prokaryotic cell. Any cell that lacks nuclear envelope and other envelope bound organelles are called as prokaryotic cells. So the correct answer is option B, nuclear envelope. Question 9. Development of an embryo without fertilization is known as. Development of embryo without fertilization is known as. Option A. Apomixis. Option B. Polyembryony. Option C. Parthenocarpy. Or option D. Parthenogenesis. Development of embryo without fertilization is called as. The correct answer is option D. Parthenogenesis. Question 10. Which of the following floral parts form pericarp after fertilization? Which of the following floral parts form the pericarp after fertilization? Option A. Nucellus. Option B. Outer integument. Option C. Ovary wall. Or option D. Inner integument. Which of the following floral parts forms the pericarp after fertilization? The correct answer is option C, that is the ovary wall forms the pericarp of fruit. Question number 11. Stir tank bioreactors have been designed for addition of preservatives to the food, purification of the product, ensuring anaerobic condition in the culture, availability of oxygen throughout the process. Stir tank bioreactor have been designed for. Correct answer is option 4, for the availability of oxygen throughout the process. Question number 12. The part of fallopian tube closest to the ovary is isthmus, infundibulum, cervix, ampulla. Part of fallopian tube closest to the ovary. The correct answer is option 2, that is infundibulum. Question number 13. An improved variety of transgenic rice does not require chemical fertilizers and growth hormones, gives high yield and is rich in vitamin A, is completely resistant to all insect pests and disease of paddy, gives high yield but has no characteristic atoms. Correct answer is option 2, it gives high yield and is rich in vitamin A. Question number 14. Infectious proteins are present in Gemini virus, prions, viroids, satellite virus. Infectious proteins. The correct answer is option 2, prions. Question number 15. Exile placentation is present in Argemon, Dianthus, lemon, pea. Exile placentation is present in. The correct answer is option 3, that is lemon. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.